And welcome back to our new video. If you are facing low FPS problem, then I will show you how to fix this problem. Simply press Window plus R button from your keyboard and type here REGETIT and then press enter and accept this. Now go to the H key current user, double click on it and then click on the system and then go to the game config storage. Now click on the game DBR enable this option and right click on it and then click on the modify and in the value section put 0 and then hexadecimal then ok. After doing this step, restart your system and your FPS is boost. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.